This is a short video of how the order and the pay at the table works. So the first thing is you'll see the store name. We just happen to have a test site. You'll see the version on the bottom and you'll see a pin pad. The pin pad settings will respond to the POS pin pad settings. So it's the same logins that you would use on the POS. So if you had a password, you would still have a password on the pay at the table device. When you log in, you'll see the open checks. You'll see who the server that opened them. You'll see the table number. You'll see the amount and the order type. You can recall by table number. You can put in 3, and it will only show you table numbers of 3. And then you can view the details of the check. You can also log out and go back to the normal screen. And this one requires a password, so you'll see that I logged in with a password. Different users have different requirements. This one requires a guest count, and it's asking us to create tables. You can order items. It'll ask you the choice of modifiers. How do I want my steak? Well done. Choice of potatoes. Choice of sides. We do support nested modifiers, so if you chose a side salad, it will ask you to choose the dressing, and if you chose a baked potato, it gives you options for those items. You'll see the items that we ordered. You can fire, and then it basically removes that plus sign. You can apply discounts. It will validate the discounts to make sure your employee role has those privileges to do those. You can then pay the order. We do support cash discounting and credit surcharges, so this is the balance due, and this is if you pay it with a card. We'll pay this one off as cash. You can do quick tenders or full amount. You can apply a payment. You can print the receipt, do no receipt, or email the receipt. We'll just do no receipt. This user actually stays logged in after you place orders. And going into payments, you can click on an order. You can actually do split payments. So you can split it 3 ways. And then you have your tip suggestions. And in terms of settings, there's not too many settings on the pin pad. You can view the store name, the merchant ID, you can reset the device, you could customize the tip suggestions. This is basically to put a modifier on every modifier screen. This is terminal emulation. This is download parameters if you were to switch to the mid. Just to walk through a couple more order flows, you'll see your department list on the top. And you'll see your items. We do support open food items. It will ask you for a price and ask you for a name for that food item. We do support meal periods. If we did have happy hour, we would see happy hour pricing. We do support light cheese or light mustard. You can't get light cheese. And choice of sides. You could do submit, where it will submit the order and then log you out, just like the normal the POS would. And those are the major features.